already know, man. Got the keys in hand. I'm finna go ahead and start it up. First things first, man. Oh my gosh. First things first, look at this. Y'all know what it is, man. Y'all, man, look. Oh. Hey, man, say, man. Y'all already know what's going on. Let's go ahead and start the car up. This is the moment of truth right here.
She got a lot on my mind. She got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind.
Hey man, it's your boy Alia, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle, man. Welcome back to another video. So, first of all, if y'all did not know, like about a week ago, I cracked my lens, and I'm gonna just roll the clip. I tell y'all right now, bro, I'm editing the video. I was gonna do a thumbnail, and this part dropped on the ground. Like, it ain't even drop on the hard part. It literally dropped right here, got stuck. All right, so if you guys saw that, I got some good news. As you can see behind me, I have 2 packages. One here, and that's gonna be this is for today's video. So I'm gonna put this right over here. Let's go ahead. We need to open this one. We're gonna open this one. See what's in there. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and I put it on. I see a difference. Hopefully you guys see a difference. But let's get started in today's video, okay? We have the last and final modification to this car, the last mod, and it's gonna make this car literally a whole move. All right, you can tell by the title I already put it. Today we will be installing the car LED lights, okay? And it took some time to find the ones that I really want, because I do not want any wires to be seen. So that is going to be the biggest challenge for today, okay? And for all of you guys who went ahead and stayed through to the process of me getting my car, to me installing the logo LED lights, to me blacking it out and getting it tinted, bro, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And if you have not already, like this video up and subscribe. And if you missed any of those videos, they will be all linked down below in the description. And in addition, if you guys want to go ahead and install LED lights into your car, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to my particular one down below in the description, so y'all go ahead, y'all check it out. Okay, without further ado, man. Ooh. So right now, this is the package that we're working with. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna open it up. Should I show y'all? Nah. And just like that, y'all see this? I think the way you pronounce it is Goo. I don't really know, but this is what it is. Basically, the one I chose, there's 2 different types. There's one that has multiple wires, so splits to the left side of your car and to the right side, and this one is just the all-in-one, just one wire all the way around. Really excited for this, man. But right now I need to find where I'm going to do this. I'm either going to do it on the top. I need to find some parking garage to go ahead and record this and show you guys the process. So that's going to be the next step. All right. In case y'all thought I was going to miss the drip check. What? Some slide pretty good. All right, you guys, so right now we're at a little spot. We're on the top of my apartment complex, and I'm not gonna waste no time. This is it. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open it up. All right, you guys, so within this you have like a warranty card, as y'all can see right here, and then this is the whole set. So I'm gonna try to install it. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do, and I don't really know how I'm gonna set up the camera, but we're gonna see how it goes. All right, so the very first thing we have to do, we have to make sure that this thing works. Because if it doesn't, it's gonna be a problem. So this is my first time using a cigarette lighter in my car, and that's basically where this will be plugged into. As you guys can see right over here. Oh, okay. Maybe I gotta push it with a little aggression. There we go. And yes, start off, yes, it does work, but I feel like you have to hit this button for it to work. So that's cool. I can just always leave it plugged in, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. I went ahead and I took off all of the little additional things to secure it, and they also come with zip ties. I do not know if I'll be using this because it does have an adhesive 3M tape, so we're going to see. The goal is to, if y'all did not know, like over here y'all can basically like take this this apart and whatnot. I don't want to do too much, but there's a way that you could take this apart. That's what I plan on doing. I plan on hooking it up, tucking it away underneath here. I'm going to put this 3M button right here, probably like right up there. See, like right up there. But yeah, there's a lot of parts. Really don't know what I'm gonna do. Parts under there. I know I could tuck away here, but without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get started, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to show you guys what I do as I go along. But yeah. Alright, now for any of you guys who want to do this, look, this is the secret to this. You want, y'all see this little hole right here? You want to be able to slide it right under and through here, because you don't want it to mess up like your seat moving up or moving back. You don't want it to get stuck, because it's only going to mess up the product that you just bought. Okay, so be very, very mindful of that. Not only do you have to do it for this seat, but you have to do it underneath here. Y'all see that? Underneath this side, you're gonna have to do it all the way back around. Okay, be mindful of that. Finally went through the process. I finally finished. Sweating bullets if you cannot tell, but I'm just gonna kind of go ahead and kind of just walk through, because I did not show you guys how to really do it. Alright, so the first thing I will go ahead and say, this is a really, really tedious process, okay? It depends on the car, it depends on the make, it depends on the year, it depends on the model. Alright. As we can see, right over here, this is the little button. I'm trying to leave this part plugged in, mainly because, like, for it to be on, you have to click this button. All right. As y'all can see, as we move on down, minimal amount of wires. That long wire that y'all seeing is from my car charger, but as you can see, they really, really good job. Because this part of your car right here, this part you can move up and, you know, kind of tuck in all of the wires. For over here, you guys can see I had a slight little clean, smooth area that I went ahead and connected this stuff, which is right over there, as you guys can see. But looking far away, you cannot see it, and you cannot see any wires. Again, that is my charger light. So what I did, because you do not want this piece, you do not want this piece to be in the way of you driving, so I let it follow. As you can see, there's like a little hook over here that I put it under, and then as y'all can see, minimal wires, and then it disappears. Went ahead and I just tucked it in to the spot. As you go around, you can see a wire over here. Now as you get to the back, I did mention earlier in the video, you have to tuck it underneath this section. As you can see, I went ahead and I did that, and over here there's no part to tuck in, so I had to use zip ties. As you can see, a zip tie there, a zip tie there. Again, as we're moving, you got to go underneath this section again. Okay, and I tucked it away. You cannot see anything. Like literally from here to here in the back of my seat, you can't see anything. Then we went on this side. We literally did the same exact thing. The wires coming from that way, double zip tie. All right, and that's how we basically got our back looking really, really smooth and good. And now on for this side, y'all can see one wire over there. Everywhere else, no wire, no wire, no wire. I tucked it in all the way up to about right over here. And then as y'all can see, this was the furthest back straight line surface. I couldn't tuck it in any further. All right, so now for the moment of truth. All right, y'all see the lights? Not yet. I gotta click this button. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. Man, y'all peep this, man. Passenger seats. So the front is looking nice. Again, you do not see any wires literally anywhere. It's as if they're not even over there. And then check out the back. When I tell you my car is now a whole mood, and I know what y'all thinking, hey Chris, it's light It's like light outside, as y'all can see. It's like daytime. How does this look during the night? Don't worry, I got y'all in this next clip. All right, you guys, so as y'all can see behind me, I got the car. You know what I'm saying? I got my whip right here, man, and I'm really excited to show you guys. Y'all been along for the ride. Y'all been along for me getting the car. Y'all been along for me adding the car logo LED lights. Y'all been around for me. You know, y'all see that 5% tint so you can't see up in my window. And now for the final last mod to make it a whole mood, man. And that is the LED lights. I'm about to go show y'all basically just everything. Unfortunately, I don't know how well I was able to really show y'all. I know I was not able to record how I actually installed it because it was a tedious task. It does depend on your car, the make, the model, all of that, and you kind of got to tuck it into different places. But I did a really, really good job on just not letting any of these wires be seen. So man, already, oh man, got the keys in hand. I'm finna go ahead and start it up. First things first, man. Oh my gosh. First things first, look at this. Y'all know what it is, man. Y'all, man, look. Oh. Hey, man, say, man. Y'all already know what's going on. Let's go ahead and start the car up. This is the moment of truth right here. Y'all ready? Go crazy, folks. Go crazy. Go crazy. All right, I'm about to go ahead and open all the doors for you guys so you guys can hear me. Y'all, look at this. Y'all see that? As you can see, it goes with the music. Right now I just have it, you know, subtle. I already went ahead and I showed you guys how it is without the like how you can't see any of the wires and whatnot. So as y'all can see, that is the very, very final product. I like it. And the thing I like about Govee or Govee, however you want to say it, the customization options, it works through your phone, so you don't even really need to control things through that. And that's what I really, really do enjoy, and that's what I do like. So without further ado, man, the car is at its all-time peak, man. And this is probably going to be the final thing I'm doing, just because I don't want to go ahead and... Let's see, we got it on that side too, the back. But yeah, but for right now, this is going to be the final thing that I'm going to be doing to the car, just based off the fact that, like, this is not my dream car, but it's a dream for me to have that car, if y'all know what I'm saying. And trust me, like, as my channel grows, as I hit these accolades and these goals and whatever, pretty soon I'm gonna go ahead. I'm going to end up giving this car to someone in my family, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get my dream car. I would tell y'all what it is, but I'm not. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, man, if y'all are here for the whole process, just go ahead. I ask y'all to do just two things, man. Like up this video, hit that subscribe button, wherever it's gonna be. Y'all already know how it goes. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Alia, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that's 2 9. I got AK with the scores and 9. Undercover G's and